Ready to unlock exclusive perks and directly support your favorite creators using the super convenient Apple Pay? Let's dive into how you can become a YouTube member with Apple Pay, making the process quick, secure, and incredibly easy. First, navigate to the YouTube channel you want to support. Look for the Join button, usually located near the Subscribe button, right underneath the video player. Tap it. This will take you to the channel's membership page. Here, you'll see the different membership tiers offered by the creator, along with the exclusive perks each tier unlocks. Take a moment to browse and decide which tier best suits you. Once you've chosen your tier, you should see the option to pay with Apple Pay. It's often displayed as a clearly marked button with the Apple Pay logo. Select the Apple Pay option. Your device will prompt you to authenticate the payment using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This is Apple Pay's secure way of verifying your identity. Go ahead and complete the authentication. Voila! Once authenticated, your payment will be processed, and you'll receive a confirmation screen indicating your successful YouTube membership purchase. Welcome to the club. You'll now have access to all the exclusive member benefits, like custom emojis, member-friendly content, and that cool member badge that shows your support in the comments section. And that's all there is to it. Enjoy your enhanced YouTube experience and the satisfaction of directly supporting the creators you love with the ease and security of Apple Pay. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.